how to use memes to generate revenue, to increase brand awareness, what companies are using them, and how you could take those strategies to help also grow your brand as well. Coming right up. What's up everyone, Sean Azari, the founder of a creative ad agency called Breakthrough Social, and I really want to dissect into this because memes could really change your branding strategy. We do it for Sweetberry Bowls, and I see a lot of brands, businesses doing it on a day-to-day basis. It's really part of their content marketing strategy. So with that said, let's go through some of the examples that are people that are taking advantage of it to make people, my favorite friend, laugh, you know. For example, Chipotle. I don't know if you've seen, if you follow them, they are a fast casual restaurant. They're all over the US. I believe they're international as well. They use a lot of memes that relate to their brands. They add a lot of relevancy to today's world, what people are talking about and so forth. And here are some few examples. 3 words better than I love you. I brought Chipotle. That's genius. Tag someone who is this dramatic, and then it gets people to tag other people. What does that do? Funny is just being funny. Adding humor, adding personality to a brand is gonna always win the crowd. But you gotta be also cautious. Obviously you don't say the wrong thing, but that's what goes with the game of this strategy. Sometimes you may do hit sensitive subjects, so be wary when you're doing these things, but you know, add personality. You want your brand and your business to resonate with others. You know, people are always trying to be funny every day, or just, you know, they do these things, and that's what memes are. That's why people engage with it, right? People engage with memes because it resonates with them. It's some commonality between that person that engaged with it and the friend that they're tagging, or why they're sharing it. Maybe all their friends have some sort of relation to what that particular meme is. So try to find ways to incorporate a meme with your brand by, you know, you could change up some words that obviously align with your brand as well. I keep saying brand there. Another great example, this company blew up. I don't know if it's because of their meme strategy, but I know it was a big part of it. It's called Death Wish Coffee. Half their page is just memes. It's great. And check out the engagement. Just think about how much money they're saving, right? On just organic reach. They're getting people to tag other people. That's the point of a post. That's the point of a content. You want people to engage with it, right? At the end of the day, obviously you want it to lead to sales, but you also want it to reach the most amount of people possible. That's why a lot of these humor accounts grow so fast, grow dramatically. So again, try to add some humor to your page. I created another video about 2 years ago, how to create memes without being funny. Do you really need to be a comedian? Not necessarily. I know I'm not, but I have a way of creating a lot of memes through my clientele and also through the channels that I've created that are considered humor accounts. Start being funny, add some humor. Start moving people. I'm kidding. Hope you liked the video, hit the thumbs up if you did, and signing out later. Peace.